extremely impressive. It's huge, it's immense. Look how many people we have, look how many startups. We have delegations from Sweden, Ukraine, Romania. People are here, they don't want to go home. I love it, I love it.
As EU for Innovation East program, we are very proud to support the Startup Moldova Summit for the second year in a row. This is the biggest tech event in the country. Moreover, as a regional program, we are very proud to see the facilitation of regional partnerships between the Ukrainian Startup Fund and Startup Moldova that will be signed today.
It's the biggest edition we've had so far. There are lots of investors, founders, and ecosystem players that are networking. So we are looking forward to the next edition to be even larger, better.